Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about 4 books. This book will must help you to crack IBPS, AFO, MCAER like state PG entrances and other agri competitive exams. Also we will tell you table of contents, that is actually what is covered in these books. So let's start the video. The first one is Agriculture at a Glance by R.K. Sharma. Currently its 21st revised edition is available in bookstores and on online platforms. This book has been especially designed for the aspirants of various competitive exams like ICAR, JRF, SRF and Agriculture Research Services. It is also useful for IBPS AFO and state PG entrances such as MCAER etc. You can see here contents of these books, that is historical and current innovations in agriculture, basic crop production, agronomy, agriculture meteorology, soil science, genetics and plant breeding, seed science, plant biotechnology, agriculture extension and economics, agriculture entomology, pathology, microbiology, plant physiology and biochemistry, and horticulture. Also it have agriculture statistics and computer applications. Then agroforestry and ecology, agriculture engineering. Animal husbandry and poultry farming, agriculture fishery science. At last, total and model test papers are also available in this book. 120 MCQ in each question paper. So there are total 650 plus pages in this book and the price of this book is rupees 470. So friends, for all this, I recommend this book to use if you are preparing for any agri competitive exams. Now let's see the second one, the well-known book by Nimraj Sunda, a competitive book of agriculture. Also this book is designed for UPSC, ARS, JRF, SRF, pre-PG and PhD entrances. If you have not used the book yet, here is the table of contents of this book. This book covers all general agriculture from its evolution to recent agronomy, soil science, horticulture, entomology, plant pathology, nematology, plant breeding and genetics, plant physiology, extension, agriculture economics and statistics, and animal production. This book have very good and deep content. That's why it is useful for all agri competitive exams. Overall this book have total 412 pages and the price of this book is 325 rupees. Now here is the third one, General Agriculture book by Muniraj Singh Rathore. The 29th edition of this book is available in market. This is objective type book, especially question and answer type. More than 3750 solved questions along with last 15 years solved question papers from ICAR JRF exams. This book covers the content of all syllabus of general agriculture for MSc and PhD entrances and state PG entrances. Here is the content of this book. This book covers most of the major topics such as agronomy, horticulture, soil science, biochemistry, plant breeding and genetics, entomology and nematology, agriculture extension, statistics, and agriculture economics. Also it has environmental science and meteorology. Seed science, animal science are not available in this book. Later, there are a number of general agriculture related data such as ICAR institutes, nanotechnology, some facts and terms in shortly. Overall this book have 520 pages and the price of this book is just 175 rupees. And my last one recommendation is Objective Agriculture by Dr. S.R. Kandwa. Also this is a very nice book, covers almost all degree courses along with veterinary science, fishery science and seed technology. This book also have previous years JRF question papers with solution. It also include ICAR JRF plant science and agronomy old question papers. So I also recommend this book for JRF and also other agri competitive exams. Overall, this book have more than 400 pages and the price of this book is around 300 rupees. So these are 4 books I recommending you. These books are very useful for all agri competitive exams. Along with these books, you can also refer volume 1 and 2 by Arun Katyan. So friends, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, and also thanks again. Best of luck and goodbye.